Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing tips on how incorporating both natural and artificial flowers is a fantastic way to maintain beauty in my or your backyard. So this one you're seeing right now is a small elephant's ear combined with that other green artificial flower. They both match, as you can see, which create that nice beauty. And when winter comes, it dies, especially if we keep it in the weather in outside. It will end up dying, but the artificial one remains, which kind of bring that consistent and enduring touch of beauty. So the combination not only helps in creating a visually appealing garden, but also it ensures that even when natural plants struggle or die off during the harsh conditions, your space remains attractive and lively. As you can see, we have that snake plant. It's a natural one. And we also have the one you are seeing on top there, the purple one is purple and green is an artificial one. So we've decided that in Texas, you may want the blooming ones, but you only experience their beauty for a short time. But blending them with these artificial ones, I've seen it as quite satisfying, and it brings that unique beauty in your backyard. So I'm sure some of you are already doing that in their gardens, but I just thought I should share this is my experience and how I'm doing it, and share. If you have any comments, please let me know. But I'm sure that this blending can make you enjoy beautiful backyard all year round. You see that center table one, it's all artificial. Those ones by the corner, they are natural flowers. So blending both kind of make a balance. When one dies, one remains, and the beauty still remains. That's what we decided to do in our backyard, as we want to see the beauty all year round. We've been watering them this morning. The grass is quite green and very healthy, as you can see. This is mainly because we have clay soil in our backyard, but the plants in the pots have a different kind of soil. That's why they tend to suffer when the heat is too much. So that's my son helping out, watering some of the plants. Yeah, I like the grass so much. It's doing very well, but plants are really suffering. We had kept that one in a pot because we didn't want winter to come and then it starts dying. It's still quite young, so we are keeping it in a pot until it reaches a point where we will be satisfied to put it down direct into the soil. So we'll do that after this winter. You see the leaves are dying, but it's still standing, but they're not very well. If we don't water them, they really die. The heat is just so much. That's why I've been sharing just how you can make your backyard look beautiful, mixing both natural and artificial flowers, as natural ones on their own may not be that many or be able to stay consistently healthy throughout the summer. So we water them. They were blooming, you can see that, but they'll still be, the heat is just too much. They'll still wither. So if you have any other tips you want to share with me or any comments, please, I'll be glad for you to add them in the comment section. But yeah, this was just an update since my video combines my channel combines a lot of things including gardening. I thought it has been a while since I shared what's happening in our backyard. Our front yard is getting better. I'll soon be sharing a video. Like today we have people cutting the grass, and tomorrow they will be trimming the trees. I will show you very soon how the front yard is doing. So this is our backyard. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. Let me know if you want to continue seeing more of these videos. I will gladly be happy to share with you. And let me know as well if this combination is appealing to you. This is my elephant's ear combined with the artificial flowers and the rest of the artificial flowers. Thank you.